10 Best Foods for Kidney Detox. Reverse kidney damage naturally. Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being, as these organs play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood. Over time, factors like poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can put strain on the kidneys, leading to kidney damage. However, incorporating specific foods into your diet can support kidney health and even aid in reversing damage naturally. Here are 10 of the best foods for kidney detox. Number 1. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps flush toxins and waste from the kidneys, promoting optimal function and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Number 2. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. They also contain high water content, contributing to hydration. Number 3. Leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of vitamins A and C, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients support kidney function and help reduce the risk of kidney stones. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are rich in compounds that support liver detoxification, which indirectly benefits kidney health by reducing the burden on these organs. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that help the body eliminate toxins and improve kidney function. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that may protect against kidney damage. Number 6. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease. Number 7. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory effects and may help protect kidney function. Aim for 2 servings of fish per week as part of a kidney-friendly diet. Number 8. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which have been shown to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Using olive oil as a primary source of fat in cooking can benefit overall kidney health. Number 9. Cranberries. Cranberries and cranberry juice contain compounds that may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can contribute to kidney damage if left untreated. Consuming cranberry products in moderation can support urinary tract health. Number 10. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They also contain minerals like potassium and magnesium, which support kidney function. Choose unsalted varieties to avoid excess sodium. In addition to incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your diet, it's essential to limit intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and high-sodium foods, as these can contribute to kidney damage. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and practicing portion control are key components of supporting kidney health and promoting overall well-being. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance on creating a kidney-friendly diet plan tailored to individual needs and medical conditions. With the right dietary choices and lifestyle modifications, it's possible to support kidney health and even reverse kidney damage naturally.